Hey, this is Ryan Witt, criminal defense attorney here in Western Washington. We had 4 calls from potential clients over the weekend. Each 4 calls were assault cases, and there was a common thread amongst each 4. They were all calls from family members, loved ones basically, that wanted the police to come out and serve a function of calming down a situation or telling my husband he's drinking too much or telling my son he's been a jerk. And in each 4, it blew up in the caller's face because what happens is law enforcement comes out, allegations are made in the 911 call, or just when police arrive. Typically, the person that calls says, X, Y, and Z, and it meets the low threshold for an assault. And the cops at that point in time must make an arrest. They don't do any function of just calming down the situation or telling husband to go cool off. You go in a different room. Billy, you go out and play basketball and blow off steam. They don't do that. Their role is determine if a crime is committed, which is a low threshold. And once they make that determination, an arrest is made. Arguably, they arrest the wrong person a lot of times, and they just believe, well, the court, the prosecution, defense, they're all going to hash that out later. So what they do, they're kind of dropped into a situation. They don't know the backstory. They do the best they can. They make an arrest, and then your son, your loved one, your husband is in jail. At that point, all I can say is call a private defense attorney early on. We would represent that individual, but also work with the family to try to put the pieces back together as quickly as we can and get that individual back home. So watch our previous video on mandatory arrest in Washington. And if you have any questions, give our office a call. Thank you.